Hey there, fellow tech lovers, and welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fantastic world of smart home gadgets, AI innovations, and futuristic living. Today, we have a special treat for you. We'll be showing you how to create an impressive smart home on a budget. That's right, we're going to help you transform your home into a high-tech haven without spending a fortune. So, let's dive right into the world of budget-friendly home automation and make your home the smartest on the block. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great content. First things first, let's talk about the golden rule of creating a smart home on a budget. Prioritizing your needs. With countless smart home gadgets and systems available, it can be tempting to buy them all. However, it's essential to focus on the areas of your home that you want to automate and make more efficient. By doing so, you'll spend your money wisely and avoid costly mistakes. Now that we've got our priorities straight, let's explore some budget-friendly smart home devices and strategies that can make a significant impact on your everyday life. Smart plugs, a fantastic entry point into home automation. Smart plugs allow you to control your devices remotely, schedule them to turn on and off, and even monitor energy usage. They're easy to install and relatively inexpensive. By investing in a few smart plugs, you can quickly turn ordinary appliances into smart devices without breaking the bank. Look for smart plugs that are compatible with your preferred voice assistant for added convenience. Smart bulbs. Say goodbye to your traditional light bulbs and welcome smart bulbs that can be controlled with your smartphone or voice-activated devices. Smart bulbs not only allow you to change the brightness and color of your lighting, but they also help you save energy by enabling you to set schedules and even turning off automatically when no one's home. There are various smart bulb options available at different price points, so you can easily find something that suits your budget. DIY home automation. For those of you who love getting your hands dirty and learning new skills, DIY home automation projects can be a fun and cost-effective way to create a smart home. From building your own smart light switch to crafting a custom smart irrigation system, there are plenty of beginner-friendly projects that can save you money while enhancing your home's intelligence. Plus, working on DIY projects can be a fantastic learning experience and a great way to customize your smart home to your specific needs. Refurbished or used devices. If you're looking for high-quality smart home devices at a fraction of the cost, consider purchasing refurbished or used items. Many manufacturers and retailers offer refurbished devices that come with a warranty, so you can get reliable products without the hefty price tag. Keep an eye on reputable online marketplaces and manufacturer outlets for great deals on lightly used or refurbished devices. Bundle deals and sales. One smart shopping strategy is to keep an eye out for bundle deals and sales, as they can save you a lot of money when building your smart home. Many retailers and manufacturers offer discounts and package deals for smart home devices, making it more affordable to purchase multiple devices at once. Don't forget to check for seasonal sales and special promotions to score even better deals. Voice assistant integration. When choosing smart home devices, ensure they are compatible with popular voice assistants like Amazon Echo or Google Home. By integrating your devices with a voice assistant, you can control your entire smart home ecosystem with simple voice commands, and you won't need to invest in expensive proprietary smart home hubs. Plan and budget. Last but not least, plan your smart home purchases carefully and create a budget. By setting a spending limit and prioritizing your needs, you can ensure that you're making smart choices and getting the best bang for your buck. Take the time to research devices, read reviews, and compare prices before making any purchases. This way, you'll be confident that you're investing in the right products for your budget-friendly smart home. Start small and expand gradually. When working on a budget, it's essential to start small and expand your smart home gradually. Begin with the most crucial devices and systems that will make the most significant impact on your daily life. As you become more familiar with smart home technology and find more budget-friendly options, you can continue to expand and enhance your home automation ecosystem. Open source solutions. Another great option for budget-conscious individuals is to explore open source software and platforms that can be integrated into your smart home. Open source solutions, such as Home Assistant, can be customized to your specific needs and are often more affordable than proprietary systems. Plus, they usually come with a supportive community that can help you troubleshoot any issues and provide valuable tips and tricks. Energy efficient Devise Us. When choosing smart home Devise Us, consider their energy efficiency. By investing in energy efficient products, you will not only save money on your initial purchase, but also reduce your long-term energy costs. Look for Devise Us that have energy-saving features, such as automatic shut-off for power usage monitoring, to maximize your savings. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a smart home on a budget. Remember, with some careful planning, smart shopping, a bit of DIY know-how, and patience, you can transform your home into a high-tech haven without emptying your wallet. The key is to prioritize your needs, research your options, and stay dedicated to creating the smart home of your dreams at a price you can afford. Thank you for joining us in exploring budget-friendly smart home options. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give us a thumbs up and let us know which budget-friendly smart home device or strategy you will try first in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest content. Until next time, happy smart home building on a budget, and may your home be both intelligent and affordable.